Meanwhile, moving on to some more news that we're tracking on the broadcast. The new northbound bridge connecting the Mumbai Coastal Road project to the Worli Banda Sea was inaugurated by Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. The bridge developed by the BMC has started for commuters today. According to the BMC's estimates, motorists can now complete a single journey from Bandra to Nariman Point in 18 to 19 minutes. The road will save 75% in travel time and 34% in fuel consumption as well. Meanwhile, my colleague Daryl has filed a ground report from the Mumbai Coastal Road on the bridge inauguration by the Maharashtra Chief Minister. The bridge connects the Mumbai Coast Road to the Worli Bandra Sea. Listen in.
The new northbound bridge of the Mumbai Coastal Road connecting to the Mumbai's Bandra-Worli ceiling was inaugurated yesterday by Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis along with Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde and Cabinet Ministers Ashish Shelar and Mangal Prabhat Lodha. Right now I am present at the Coastal Road which was inaugurated yesterday. The northbound bridge which connects to the Bandra-Worli ceiling by Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. The bridge developed by the BMC has started for commuters from today, and we can see all the vehicular movement has been started at the Coastal Road from today morning since 7 a.m. According to the BMC's estimates, the motorists can now complete a single journey from Bandra to Nariman Point in 18 to 19 minutes, and the road will save 75% in travel time and 34% in fuel consumption. The road is a part of the Western Coastal Corridor of Mumbai with the Nariman Point to Bandra stretch completed. Work is in progress for the Bandra to Versova ceiling. Further, the BMC has undertaken the Versova to Dahisar and Dahisar to Mira Bhayandar connector projects. Additionally, there is a connector between the Coastal Road and the Atal Setu from Worli to Shivdi. Maharashtra ministers also took a journey yesterday in a vintage car on Sunday after this whole inauguration took place. The newly constructed bridge spans 827 meters, including a 699 meter section over the sea and a 128 meter approach road. It features a 2,400 metric ton bow arc string girder connecting the coastal road to the ceiling. Traffic from Marine Drive to Sea-Link will use the northbound bridge from 7 a.m. to midnight, while the southbound bridge will handle Bandra to Marine Drive traffic as usual. The Mumbai Coastal Road project includes elevated roads, bridge, embankments and twin 2-kilometer long underground tunnels with 6 to 8 lanes. 3 key interchanges at Worli, Prabhadevi and Lower Parel will also be open to the public from March 2024 to December 2024. Approximately 5 million vehicles have used the coastal road. On an average, 18,000 to 20,000 vehicles are using the road daily, the official said. Worth rupees 14,000 crores, the project includes a green belt to be developed under corporate social responsibility by a private player with no commercial usage permitted. Earlier milestones include the inauguration of the southbound lane of the Mumbai Coastal Road project on March 11, 2024 and the northbound lane on 10th of June 2024, and from today onwards the northbound bridge has been started for vehicular movement since morning 7 a.m. and this is going to be a major boost for the Mumbaikars. With video journalist Kunal, this is Daryl Miranda, News X, Mumbai.
ट्रैफिक की बहुत ही समस्या दूर होगी। इसमें इश्यू है कि हम जब मंत्रालय से आते थे तो हमें वर्ली में उतरना पड़ता था और वर्ली में उतरने के बाद हमें वर्ली नाका का ट्रैफिक होता था, वो छोड़ के हम सीधा यहाँ आ जाएंगे। और अगर बांद्रा सीलिंग की तरफ जाना है तो वहाँ सीलिंग पे ये रश हो जाता। तो अभी विद इन सम सेकंड वी रीच टू वर्ली सीलिंग। इट विल हेल्प अस।
कितना फायदा होगा? फ्यूल कंजम्पशन भी होगा इसमें, टाइम कंजम्पशन भी होगा।
पार्डन?
फ्यूल भी बचेगा इसमें, टाइम भी बचेगा ट्रैवलिंग में।
हाँ, फ्यूल तो जरूर बचेगा, फ्यूल बचेगा।
सर, आपको क्या लगता है, आपका क्या कहना है इस पर?
निश्चित रूप से ये जो भी ये ईज ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग हो गया या फिर ये जो भी रास्ते बने हैं, इसके कारण नहीं क्या सभी मुंबईकर्स को क्या बहुत जो ट्रैवलिंग है बहुत आरामदायक होने वाला है और उनकी समय की बचत भी होने वाली है। समय की बचत के साथ नहीं क्या जो भी अपने लोग ऑफिस में काम करते हैं उनके लिए ज़्यादा समय दे पाना उनको ज़्यादा पॉसिबल होगा और परिवार के लिए भी समय देना उनके लिए पॉसिबल हो जाएगा।
क्या कहेंगे पूरे प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में, मुंबई करों को फायदा होगा इससे?
बहुत बहुत फायदा होगा और नहीं क्या ये सिर्फ मुंबई कर के लिए नहीं, जो बाहर से भी लोग आते हैं जो फॉरेन टूरिस्ट है या फिर ट्रैवलिंग करके या टूरिज्म के लिए अपने महाराष्ट्र में आते हैं उन सब के लिए क्या बोलते हैं बहुत फायदेमंद होने वाला है। सभी ट्रैवलिंग एजेंसीज है जो भी अपने होटल इंडस्ट्रीज है या फिर